Hi, I'm Ann, and I work for HP. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about the HP TouchSmart PC. This is an all-in-one PC, so everything you see here is included in this one slim chassis design. And this is called the 610 model, and it has a touch screen. It also has an interesting feature that everybody seems to enjoy, including me. You can go into this recline mode, and then it makes it easier to use the touch features, which I'll show you now. For me, this is where the magic happens. All you have to do is touch anywhere on the screen where you see the little house symbol, and it brings up the TouchSmart interface that HP built on top of this Windows 7 operating system. So here we go. You can touch the screen. This is the magic canvas. You can, do lots of things like play a video. Woo! But the thing that I really like is right here, this little baby. It's called Recipe Box. Tap on it, and it opens up. And this is a repository for all of your recipes that you find online or you want to include by adding them in yourself. First, I'm going to browse for a recipe. So I'm going to go into this space here where I'm going to put the URL, but I don't know what the URL is, so I'm going to go to Google and find the recipe. I know the name of the recipe, and I know the name of the person who created it. So here we go. Okay, here's Google, and I'm going to bring up the keyboard again, and I know it's called Tomato Pie by Paula Dean. She's my girl. Look, there it is, tomato pie recipe. So I bring it up. Sure enough, there's Paula. Hi, Paula. And here is the recipe. So now I go over here where it says extract recipe. Okay, so here's the recipe, and it's now in my digital recipe box. So I'm going to call this, I don't know, for me it's more of an entree. And I'm not sure the prep time of it. I think the cook time is 30 minutes. So I'll go ahead and put that in. But we can fill in the rest later. Oops. And so, but you get the idea, right? 3 minutes. Here we go, done. Okay, so here's a recipe, and now it's just a beautiful screen. I can see everything I need to see. I can look through the ingredients here and have it all in my kitchen. The other fancy thing it can do is I can enable speech commands and have it read the recipe to me so that I'm hands-free in the kitchen. Very cool. I like this recipe so much, and I like Recipe Box so much, that it inspired me to make this dish for you. So it's Tomato Pie by Paula Dean. Hey, Paula. And I'm going to just show you how to do it quickly. We're going to fast forward this so it doesn't take too much time. Here we go. Preparing this dish, but we're going to see how it turned out. Oh man. What do you think, guys? Huh? You ready to try some? So, look, Recipe Box, looking things up, being able to find this recipe again if it turns out well, and what it really tastes like, because I've made it once before, is like, if you like bruschetta or if you like caprese salad, it's kind of that all mixed up into a delicious pie. So I can't wait to dig in and start trying it, and I hope that I've inspired you to get in the kitchen and start cooking with Recipe Box.